As the title said, we're stripping today. Stay tuned. If you thought this was something more than auto body paint, wrong channel, my friends. This is fun, said no one. You can see the paint's coming off pretty good, except for where there's previous filler work. So we're just gonna keep stripping the red off and then dig that old body work out, get this thing down to metal. See where we're at. Sorry for the interruptions among it. It just is what it is when you're trying to record, have a phone, and work by yourself with life. It happens. If you're still watching, good for you. If you're still watching, great. We're halfway through the stripping episode. We're gonna get there. Don't you worry. Halfway through our stripping episode, a wildcat appeared. There's going to be a lot more on this project, don't you worry, but we're just going to continue stripping. Finally down to our substrate, little filler work coming up. So we took it off, now we got to put it on. Just some bonus footage of waiting for filler to dry. We're gonna work on the kitty. Again, stay tuned. And now here, anyone that thought filler work was exciting, it's not. You put it on, you wait, it dries, you sand, you block, reapply, sand, block. We're just going fast on this. Again, little minor hammer dolly work between coats of filler, and then we're going back to the Hellcat after some filler. Stay tuned. It's a day of work, couple of hoods. Here's the final message. Well, we're gonna throw something together. Dusty day, as promised. Big old hood for Chrysler. That'll be nice. Got the hood on the Bronco squared away. It was actually pretty good, minus the stripping party. Hope you didn't see too much that you shouldn't have. Anyways, if you're like me, it's time to call her a day. We'll see you next time.